Hello and welcome to this unboxing and test of the KingMa MB-N11 for the Nikon Z7 Mark II or Z6 Mark II. I was looking at the original battery grip for the Nikon Z7II and I was shocked by the high price of 400 euros. So I found this on AliExpress for like 80, I think it was 80 euros. Let's see if it is worth. So first, the packaging comes with another box in a box, very nice. We have some product details in Chinese and English. So yeah, see, battery grip for the Z6II or Z7II. Let's unbox it. There is nothing. Okay. And the grip itself, and we have a little instruction manual. Don't need that. Wrapped in double plastic just to be safe. First impression is pretty good. It's a little bit cheap plastic, but yeah, it is very light, so it's okay. We have the buttons. This button here is really weird. Not sure what that is for. It's unlabeled, but okay. Then we have the locking screw. There is the indicator for the batteries. We have the charging port. You can also charge the battery while it is connected. That's really nice. Then the thumbstick to change the focus point. AF on button. Feels pretty good. Okay. Let's have a look inside here. Push and slide. Okay, that opens. And this comes out by releasing that. And as you can see, this second battery is open here, so you can replace it while this battery is still running the camera. So you can change the batteries on the fly without stopping the camera. That is pretty cool. So we're gonna take the original EN1115C battery. Slide that in. Fits pretty good. This goes back in. And this closes. A little cap to protect the contacts. Then we have the Z7 Mark II here. So let's take the battery out. And you need to remove this little flap here by just pulling it out. And there's actually a little compartment for that said flap where you can store it. That's very nice. As far as I saw, it's identical with, like, the features, and also the design is identical with the official one. So we slide that in and hope it doesn't explode. Turn the screw till it's locked. Okay. Feels very stable. Let's turn the camera on and we can see in the settings the battery got detected, it looks like. Battery info, and we can see A and B. We have currently the B slot. I'm wondering why the B slot is not the A slot. It's a little bit confusing, but yeah, it works. Battery is detected. Let's switch out the battery or add another battery. This is a Patona. It's not an official one, but it's a really good one. It works very good with the camera itself. Let's see if we can just slide that in and give some extra juice. And the battery gets detected at 100%. That's very nice. So let's do a few tests. That works, and the grip. It feels almost better, this button, than this button. This wheel, on the other hand, is really loose. It feels really loose. Stick itself feels pretty good, works. And then we have this little button here. That is the function button, and in my case it is set up for the exposure compensation. And that seems to work pretty well as well. It is quite comfortable. It feels a little bit cheap. It feels a little light, but that's maybe not even a bad thing. I use this power bank usually to just charge the camera itself. Now we should be able to plug that in here. Let's see. But before we go into the menu to see what happens here. Plug it in. Looks like, yeah, the battery gets charged here. Very good. These lights here, A and B, they light up when the battery is charging. The battery grip is compatible with the official MB-N11, and we can also change the settings for this button, this unlabeled button here, which is the FN button, like function button, and we can change it to a couple of settings here. And also there are different other settings, like for the multi-selector and the AF on button. I personally don't really use the AF on button, so I will probably set that to something different. I did a few tests now with the grip, and I have to say overall I'm pretty happy with it. After using the grip for a couple of minutes now, I noticed a few things. First, it feels a little bit cheap, especially like here, and also this dial and the front dial. They feel very loose and like not a very good feel. I really like the shutter button, that has a very good feel to it. And then this button here is a little bit, yeah, it's okay. It gets the job done, but otherwise I'm really happy with it. It works as advertised, and we will see in the long term how it performs.